shelves underneath, and a slow close feature as well, so there's no banging. More shelves and drawers, so there's loads of storage, which is really key for living at Limelight. Your desk area as well, which is where you're going to be mainly studying while you stay with us. Bookshelf, hopefully big enough for all your university books and work, and a pinboard at the back. More double plugs for laptops and other features as well on your desk. So your bed in Limelight is a full-size double bed with underbed storage and a double plug as well. Over here is a blackout curtain, so perfect for keeping the room dark in the morning. Full floor to ceiling windows, which will open as well. Over here is a fantastic unit with a nice bookshelf on the top, perfect for adding homely touches and more uni books. Moving into your kitchen space, it's got everything you're going to need for your stay. So you've got a 2-ring induction hob, an extractor fan and a microwave combi oven. Also, you've got a fridge with a freezer box at the top as well. There's lots of cupboard space, perfect for all your food and cutlery items, and also an area for you to eat your breakfast. You've got an electric heater in your room as well, so you can control the heat at all times, so just make sure you switch it off when it's not in use. And then moving over to your ensuite as well. A perfectly fitted bathroom with toilet, shower and a sink area. It's a great size. There's perfect amenity for one of our suite rooms. So head over to prestigestudentliving.com today and get your room booked in.